Welcome back to Flo's Kitchen. Today I'll be taking you guys on a little haul. I am in transition. I'll be going out of town for a month. For those of you who've been watching me on social media, I've shared that my husband is a essential worker. He works in a hospital. So I'm going away for about a month with the kids so that he can work and focus and all and I'm going to prep everything for him for the month so it can be very easy for him to do what he needs to do while I am away. All right, stay tuned. Turning up because he want to get out. So I'm gonna go in here and then I'll take you guys with me as I'm shopping and the different things that I'm getting. Alright? See you soon. I'm getting a lot of meat, chicken, mojo, fish. Okay, we'll leave it. Stay tuned, y'all. We're leaving Walmart. CJ turning up. He had enough. Turning up in the back. I have headed home. So I was able to get I really wanted some wings because my husband really likes some wings, but they didn't have it at the Walmart that I went to. So what did I get? I got a carton that was mixed with wings, legs, and thighs. I was able to get some chicken tenderloin, some chicken breast. I got some skirt steak. I got some ground beef, which I'll make some meatloaf for him. I got a lot of vegetables. So he's gonna eat pretty good. I'm gonna prep a lot of good things for him. Camera that way. I know for sure I'm gonna clean the meat and season it. I might pre-boil it so that way the only thing he has to do when he's ready to eat whatever he's ready to eat, he'll just put it out, defrost it, and then put it to bake for 350 degrees. Put it for about 20 minutes and everything should be done. But ladies, newlyweds, single men, single women, if you want to cut that cooking time in half and you a busy mom, single mom, wife, this video is for you. I'm showing you guys how I prepped everything before I leave for my trip with the kids. It was pretty interesting. I was holding CJ in one arm and then I'm shopping. It was a lot. But I made it! I made it. The camera's down. I made it, people. I made it. See ya later. Alright, so I just made it home. About to get everything out of the car.